Margins are shrinking and clients are demanding the absolute impossible. They want it faster, cheaper, and they want it perfect. Does that sound familiar? If you want to stay ahead of the competition in the UK today, you simply need to automate. I've prepared a hand-picked selection of 6 advanced devices that can transform your B2B finishing business. We are talking about tools that speed up your work, automate manual tasks, and unlock high-margin contracts you couldn't touch before. Hi, I'm Rafa from Wall Printers. Every piece of tech we're looking at today solves a specific operational or financial headache. To give you a clear picture of what's actually worth your hard-earned cash, I'll be scoring each one on a scale from 0 to 10. We will evaluate them based on 4 strict criteria: availability here in the UK, ease of implementation, price, and overall utility for a growing business. Let's kick things off with a massive profit killer that everyone in this industry knows too well. Human error during site surveys. One wrong number, and your whole project falls apart. To fix this completely, advanced 3D laser scanners have entered the game, with the Matterport Pro3 leading the pack. I give this device a solid 8 out of 10. Imagine capturing the exact dimensions of an entire room in just a few minutes and instantly turning that data into a clean CAD file or a 3D video link you can just email to your team. The workflow is beautiful. You clear the space, turn on the app, and the camera completes a full rotation in just 20 seconds. You send the data to the cloud, and AI algorithms automatically process the raw material into a 3-dimensional model. The biggest selling point here is total automation. The camera maintains an incredible accuracy of plus-minus 20 millimeters at a distance of up to 10 meters. No more running around with tape measures. In the final digital model, you just click any 2 points, say, from a window edge to a wall corner, and the system calculates the distance on the spot. Within minutes, you have data ready for a mural or custom furniture. Plus, the system is smart enough to tag mirrors and windows, so transparent or reflective surfaces won't glitch your software. You can even generate virtual walkthroughs for client presentations or your website. But let's talk about the catch, because it mostly comes down to cash flow. The camera itself will run you around £5,000 in the UK, but here's the kicker. The manufacturer locks you into a subscription model. Without that monthly plan, your expensive camera becomes useless. On top of that, you have to pay extra to export professional files like an E57 cloud. Logistically, scanning also demands a completely empty, quiet room. If a worker walks through the frame, or if a door is open in one scan and closed in the next, the software throws an error. Still, if your team is wasting hours on manual measurements and losing money on recutting materials, the Matterport Pro3 is a fantastic asset. Next up, let's talk about something we all face. Simple human fatigue, labor shortages are real, and physical burnout can slow your projects to a crawl. If you want to protect your crew, you look at a passive exoskeleton like the Hilti EXO-S. This wearable harness easily earns a strong 8 out of 10. According to the data, this passive spring system takes 40 to 60% of the load off the worker's shoulders and lower back. What does that mean in practice? Your installer maintains the exact same precision and speed in their 8th hour of work as they did in their first. More importantly, it eliminates those cumulative micro-injuries. For you as a business owner, that means fewer sick leaves, and it keeps your most experienced senior pros on site without destroying their health. In short, you keep your best players in the game. Financially, it's highly accessible. The Hilti EXO-S costs around £1,170 on the UK market, making it the most affordable device on our list today. Honestly, given the price and utility, it's hard to find real flaws. The only minor issue is a bit of thermal discomfort. The harness and padding add an extra layer of clothing, which can get pretty warm on a busy site. Some workers might feel a bit awkward wearing it during the first few days, but once they realize how much stress it takes off their body, they won't work without it. If your crew spends their days installing ceilings, painting, or sanding drywall, this is a no-brainer purchase. But what if you want to move away from small, low-paying jobs and finally unlock high-margin contracts? If you're done fighting for price with standard competitors, you need a high-value service that makes you the obvious choice for clients. This is exactly where a UV wall printer comes in. I give it a 9 out of 10, our highest score today, and for good reason. The process is fully digital. You upload a high-resolution graphic to the machine, position the printer by the wall, and calibrate it. The print head moves along a vertical rail, applying ink layer by layer. Because it uses modern UV technology, the ink is instantly cured. With this machine, you can print on almost any surface imaginable. Standard drywall, glass, metal, brick. You can even print directly on furniture or doors. Every unique, custom project like this commands a premium price tag, allowing you to bypass standard market rates and scale your profit margins. The results are incredibly durable, lasting up to 10 years indoors and up to 5 years outdoors without fading. But the biggest operational advantage over manual painting or wallpaper is absolute replication. If a corporate client orders 10 identical logos across 10 different hotel branches, every single print will be identical down to the millimeter. This is crucial for brands that demand strict visual consistency. Best of all, running the machine doesn't require any specialized skills. After a brief training session, anyone on your existing team can operate it independently. Of course, there are environmental limits. These machines operate best indoors, in temperatures between 19 and 35 degrees Celsius, with humidity levels between 40 and 70%. It also requires an operator to be present to supervise the process. It's largely automated, but it's not a set-and-forget robot. Printhead maintenance is critical, so regular cleaning is a must, and repairs can be pricey if you neglect it. A professional wall printer costs around £12,000 to £15,000 depending on your finance choices, with flexible leasing and commercial options widely available. Crucially, the machines, spare parts, and full technical service are fully supported locally. If you run an advertising agency, a space branding studio, or a commercial finishing firm, this is the ultimate tool to dominate a lucrative niche. Next, let's talk about working with expensive materials. In this case, the margin for error is exactly zero. One wrong move with a standard router can cost you thousands of pounds. To solve this stress, we have the Shaper Origin. It is a handheld CNC router, and I give it a 6 out of 10. The Shaper Origin brings the absolute precision of a massive stationary industrial CNC machine into a portable handheld format. It completely eliminates the risk of ruining material through an automatic correction system. The moment your hand drifts off the digital cut path, the router bit instantly retracts into the machine, making a critical mistake practically impossible. The logistics savings here are massive. Instead of transporting heavy, expensive panels back to a workshop, you place the Shaper directly onto the surface right there on site. Your workspace is limited only by how much area you cover with this specialized tracking tape, meaning you can execute projects of an unlimited scale. Plus, you get access to Shaper Hub, a cloud database filled with official digital templates for popular hardware and cabinetry systems, saving you hours of design time. So why only a 6? Well, it has some strict technical limitations. First, the Shaper Origin cannot dynamically change its cutting depth during a movement. That means you cannot use it to automatically carve complex 3D shapes or reliefs. This can limit creative decorators. Second, unlike industrial CNCs, this is not a hands-free process. It is still manual physical labor. You must guide the tool and the machine just auto-corrects your movements. You can't just turn it on and walk away. Furthermore, trade forums point out that bright, direct sunlight or site spotlights can blind the machine's onboard camera. Dust is another issue. A thin layer covering the tracking tape markers will pause your work. Finally, it lacks raw horsepower. It's built for extreme precision, not heavy-duty bulk material removal. The tool itself costs around £2,500 gross, and a pack of 2 Shaper tape rolls runs about £45. It's a fantastic stress-relieving tool for fit-out carpenters and space branding installers dealing with 2D elements, but as a general all-purpose tool, it might be too specialized. Let's talk about a next challenge: the painfully slow process of painting massive spaces. The industry answer to this is a professional airless paint sprayer, which I rate at a 7 out of 10. An airless gun operates like a high-pressure hydraulic valve, atomizing the paint without using compressed air. You apply the coating in fluid, steady passes, resulting in a perfectly uniform glass smooth finish entirely free of roller textures or brush marks. The high operating pressure allows you to apply thicker layers, often completing the job in a single pass. To put it into perspective, a professional unit pumping around 2 liters of paint per minute can completely cover 100 square meters of wall in just a few minutes. It effortlessly tackles difficult surfaces and easily handles heavy latex or exterior facade paints. However, the main drawback is overspray. The machine generates a fine mist of paint that floats and settles on absolutely everything nearby. Because of this, your prep work becomes the longest part of the job. You must meticulously mask off and protect every window, floor, and fixture. There is also a baseline material loss. A significant amount of paint stays trapped in the long hoses and pump system just to keep the pressure stable. Because of this, using it for small residential rooms is completely uneconomical. A professional commercial unit will run you between £1,000 and £2,500 depending on the specs from brands like Graco or Wagner, and they are widely available across the UK. If you paint hundreds of meters daily, it is a vital asset. For small renovations, though, you're better off sticking to traditional methods. For the very end, I have saved a technology designed for the true heavy hitters of the industry. What if you take on contracts at an industrial scale, manage gigantic surfaces, and find that there are simply not enough workers available on the market to scale your business? That is when you step up to the pro level and hire a painting robot. In our ranking, it receives a 6 out of 10. Mostly due to practical availability. Think of this as the airless sprayer tech we just discussed, but upgraded to a fully autonomous industrial level. The workflow begins similarly. You must thoroughly mask and protect all non-painted elements like windows and electrical sockets, but once that's done, you position the robot, like the Okibo system, near the wall or ceiling. The machine autonomously scans the environment using lasers to create its own digital 3D map. It then deploys an onboard airless spray system to apply the paint with perfect consistency. The machine executes the physical labor automatically. On paper, the efficiency is staggering. According to the manufacturer, a single Okibo robot can paint up to 1,200 square meters a day, whereas a standard human crew maxes out at around 300 square meters. This completely changes the scale of a project. It eliminates human errors like uneven coverage, runs, or shading variations, and thanks to precise digital metering and spray control, it can reduce paint wastage by up to 15% compared to manual spraying. Furthermore, it improves workplace safety. The operator does not have to work on high scaffolding or ladders, and reduced contact with paint fumes lowers health risks. So why the lowest score? It comes down to availability and cost. Right now, you can only register for a pre-order on the manufacturer's website, which means a wider commercial release is still ahead of us in the UK. We can assume these units will initially go to industrial giants. The exact price of the Okibo robot is not public, but we can safely guess it is astronomical. While it is a fascinating glimpse into the future for a growing medium-sized commercial contractor, it remains a tech dream for now. We will keep a close eye on it and update you the moment smaller commercial units hit the market. At the end of the day, investing in modern tools isn't about buying fancy gadgets. It's a business strategy to build a more efficient, predictable, and profitable company. It allows you to deliver projects faster, command higher margins, and minimize your reliance on scarce, specialized labor in a highly competitive market. Take this breakdown as your starting point. Look at your current workflow and honestly ask yourself, where's your biggest operational bottleneck right now? Is it measurement errors, tired workers, or low margins? Choose the tool that helps your specific business model the most. That is all for today. Check the description below. We left a special playlist with videos for the finishing and decoration industry if you want to expand your business knowledge right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.